Hey guys, the one you've been waiting for, how to change that damn range hood light. Today we're going to be running you through your range hood and your Crusader and how to actually change the time on your range hood. So, how does it work? Great question. We have an on button like so, on and off. We have a light button. We also have fan, 3 speeds, notified obviously by up here, and we have our clock. It took me 25 minutes to learn how to use this damn thing, but now I'm a full book and I'm about to teach you how to change the time. Number one question coming your way. How do you turn it? So, if the unit's on like this, turn it off, right? It needs to be off to begin this process. You hold it down, and then it goes into time mode. You can then increase or decrease. Once that's set, you then press on, and then you can change the minutes or time. Press it on, and we're done. That's how you set the time. So, what's more to know about it is we have a little flappy flap here. We'll turn the light on for the video. 1, 2, okay. Flap, pull, and we pop him out. So you've got a fan, it is venting through an exhaust duct to the outside of the van via a venting system, and that is pretty much everything you need to know about using your Swift range hood. We hope you've enjoyed. If you need to find out more information or more videos, like and subscribe. Check out the next one as we come through. Thanks guys.